Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you a very quick and simple DIY facial mask, and that's oatmeal facial mask. I believe you can see from the title. So yeah, for this DIY facial mask, you need a plate or anything you can mix this thing with, and you need a tablespoon, you need your grounded oats, and you need about 2 tablespoons of this grounded oats. You can use just one, because I used to, and after mixing it was pretty much, so yeah, you can use just one. You need water, and you can also use milk depending on your preference. I use water for mine. I haven't tried the milk on, but I'm definitely gonna try it someday. So you need to be adding water to it bit by bit until you get the consistency you are looking for. You don't want to have a very runny consistency or a very thick consistency. You just need to have a max-like consistency. So just mix it properly until you get something like this, and after that you can apply it to your face. To apply, you need your foundation brush. You can use your foundation brush, or you can use an old one that you're normally using for your makeup, but you have to wash it properly and have it fresh. Okay, so yeah, you just have to apply this to your face with that brush, and you have to be very careful while applying this to your face. Don't let it get to your edges, don't let it get to your lashes or your brows, because it's quite sticky. It could take a while to wash it off once it sticks to your hair. So yeah, that's it. And guys, I actually got this DIY beauty tip from a friend's page. Shout out to Joycey Beauty. So you can visit her page, guys. Her handle is right here. Visit her page. She has a whole lot of beauty tips for you guys, DIY beauty tips. So visit her page and get more of this. So just keep on applying it, and after applying it, you hold it for 10 minutes before washing it off. And when it's 10 minutes, trust me, your face is gonna be so dry, like it's gonna crack, but it's not gonna crack. Just go wash it off and you have your fresh face right there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.